COVID-19 can spread through air. So for this problem, I have a solution which provides virus-free air by using non-thermal plasma technology. Plasma is the fourth state of matter after liquid, solid and gas. Plasma comprises of a cloud of free-flowing ions or electrically charged atoms known as plasma physics. Non-thermal plasma is a plasma which is not in thermodynamic equilibrium because electron temperature is much hotter than the temperature of heavy species such as ions and neutrals. So basically we have used non-thermal plasma technology as it can inactivate toxic molecules near room temperature without consuming much energy in the background gas heating. Likewise, the air temperature matches with ambient temperature. Working mechanism. Here for electric discharge method we have utilized DBD, dielectric barrier discharge for non-thermal plasma generation. Configuration used here is a stacked volume reactor which consists of stack of dielectric plates and electrodes at alternating potential. Metal plates or grids can be used and spacers of dielectric material adjusted at desired gap distances in mm ranges. DBD in configuration with insulating materials in between electrodes is responsible for self-pulsating operation. Here are the components and costing of the reactor. So when high voltage is applied, electric breakdown leads to changing of insulating surfaces. Surface charges induce electric field opposed to applied field. Therefore, total field decreases and discharge extends. The insulator electrically acts like load which limits the amount of charge and average current density in gas. This keeps plasma in non-thermal regime. Working of reactor. So when air is sucked, virus is present in air stream, passes through electric field, plasma generated oxidizes it by unstable atoms called radicals, and virus is eventually lost their ability to infect the cells as these radicals alters lipids, proteins and nucleic acid. Ozone is generated during this process which should not be leaked out. So for that I have installed UV lamp, that is mercury lamp, which can degrade the ozone and prevent it from leaking out. HEPA filters are used at the end, so if any large particles remain can be trapped. Efficiency can be increased by increasing the surface area of electrodes and by increasing only length and width. This configuration is easy to construct and has more compact than cylindrical devices. Advantages. Green technology. As no environmental harmful solvent and drying methods are used, thus it reduces environmental impact. It completely inactivates the viruses and bacteria. It is a combination of filtration and inactivation of airborne pathogens. Kept near the head of patients, it can absorb virus. This is better than UV sterilization and it has adverse health effects. Limitations. Requirement of high voltage supply, though it can be covered by proper supply source. Ozone circulation, but it can be degraded by UV lamp. Toxic elements are released, yet they can be recovered. Applications. In hospitals, in quarantine centers, can be used as air purifier for removal of VOCs and NOx and can also be used in enclosed spaces. Further, we have biomedical applications and futuristic applications.